Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about the Skechers Women's Go Joy walking shoe sneaker.
It's almost an understatement to say that I love these shoes so much. These are very well loved. I have owned this particular pair for at least a couple of years because they're machine washable. You can throw them in the washing machine, and actually you can throw them right in the dryer as well. They are lightweight and super flexible because of the thick rubber sole material. They're actually completely bendy, and they just have this wonderful padding on the inside that makes them completely comfortable to wear. The shaft height is low, and because of the material also, they're very easy just to slip right on. They are so comfortable to walk or to stand in, but because of the color and the design, they're also easy enough to dress up and to wear to work even. And of course, just like the name suggests, they're also a joy to walk in.
And that's my point of view.